Hey, what is up everybody? Welcome back to Terrestrial Tech. Today we have the Lenovo Thinkbook G2, which we will be unboxing and taking a look at. Maybe just a few first impressions. If you haven't already, check out my other videos. I've linked them down in the description as well as at the end of the video. Anyways, without further ado, let's dive into it. So here it is, the star of today's video, the Lenovo Thinkbook 14-inch G2. Here are a few specs. You can either pause or read them out, or just hear me repeat. It has an Intel i5 11th Gen 35G7, which has a base clock of 2.4 GHz up to 4.2 GHz. It does have 1TB of hard disk, which is a bummer because, well, SSD for the win. Come on, we're in the future, we need something fast. But anyways, even a hard disk should work. I mean, it should be a fast one, so. It does have 8GB of RAM, possibly 1 RAM. I heard that it's soldered, but it is dual channel. It's a SODIMM RAM, so I'm not sure. It does come either with Intel Iris Xe, Intel UHD, or NVIDIA graphics, But I'm pretty sure this one has an Intel UHD since it's a G7. The G7 usually gives you a heads up of Intel UHD G7, that is, and it doesn't have a sticker for Intel Iris Xe or the NVIDIA sticker, And it's a 14-inch 1080p Full HD display with either 300 or 220 nits. I'll have to check on that. Okay, anyways. Let's take a look at the charger first of all. Obviously, the cable that plugs to the wall. 1 second, let me remove this. Just trying to get it out. Alright, the charging brick, 65 watts, damn. It looks like a miniature version of mine, but much cooler, And then the laptop itself. Wait, before we get into with the laptop, let's check out the power cable. That goes right in the box again. This is how the charging brick is. And the things at the back, pause if needed. Dang, this is dope, with that sideways cabled, that is really nice. The sideways cables also means that you can keep it anyhow and it wouldn't be spoiled or anything. Wait, what? It has a USB-C? That's actually sick. That's really cool. Anyways, these are the two things. Let's move on. Oh, and by the way, these are the RAMs from an old 2002 desktop or something that I had laying around. They're just like 64 megabytes. But, good looking, better compared to those naked RAMs you get normally. Let's get the laptop out. Okay, the box, nothing in it. Throw it aside. Here's the laptop. Nothing else comes in the box. I don't know how the laptop is supposed to be inside or not. I hope. Lenovo Thinkbook 14 Gen 2, obviously. All the ports and stuff, Some random stuff. Here's a long list in case I miss anything, but if you guys want to pause the video, do pause in case I miss anything. Anyways, this aside, what's this? Wow, crumbled piece of paper. Warranty. This aside, who wants a warranty anyway? Okay, so the laptop, obviously itself. Let's take it out from its housing. Throw that aside. First impressions, very heavy. Quite heavy. Don't know how heavy it is. Feels metallic, made of metal or something. Don't know. 14-inch, very good though. Looks actually cool. But you don't want to see the coolness. The laptop itself, obviously I had to open it the wrong side, but it's okay. Let's flip it, and there. The Lenovo badge, Thinkbook, looks pretty good. Oh, and the finish looks nice. That feeling, that shift from matte to metal was good. Here are the ports. I'll just display them on the screen. Alright, those were the ports. Pretty less, to be honest. Yeah, not that many. Alright, let's flip it. That's the back, the intake grill. Looks really nice. The design's really cool, and rubber feet as well. Really, really slick. Can we just talk about how cool this transition looks from a clean matte look to a rough material look, And the side badge in the Thinkbook word as well, adding to the look. Wow, the insides look really nice as well. Plus that anti-glare screen, always a plus point, You never want that reflective screen. Pretty good looking, if I must say, Really nice. Service hotkey, keyboard, decent. Sound test. Touchpad test. The screen does go 180 degrees, just as most Lenovo laptops, I'm thinking. Alright, let's start it up. Ooh, nice light ring on there. With the fingerprint, which is nice. And there is some backlight bleed, which... expected, it's a budget laptop. And that camera privacy shutter thing on top, by the way. Most Lenovos have that as well. I think all of them. Let's test the brightness out. Let's see where it is. Alright, let's increase it to the max and see. It has a high level, which is nice. It's pretty bright to the eyes, considering that the room is really well lit up. The panel is either 220 or 300 nits. I'm not sure which one. But those are the two panels that it can come with. And the hard disk is pretty fast for one, That's decent. It does come with two different batteries, either a 45 watt hour or a 60 watt hour. I'm not sure which one the default is, because this is not configured. But you can probably configure it to have one of those, or maybe upgrade. I'm not sure if you can, but maybe you can. I have a document which has all of the specifications of this particular laptop. Not this exact one, but like every laptop out there with different specifications. It has all of them, all of the specs. So you guys can check out which specs you can get with this laptop. Pretty helpful, to be honest. Alright, let's real quick check out the properties from the software. Even though we talked about the configuration at the start, just show you from the software itself, operating system, I mean. And if you guys want, let me know. I will make a review on this later, if you want. And I could also test it live, as well as the Legion 5, which I already have done a few tests, with different games. We could test all of that live, so let me know. Comment down below if you guys want me to check out any other laptop or even a phone. I can review a phone, check it out, and let you guys know how it is. Hope you guys enjoyed. Do like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, you know the drill, and see you next time. Peace out.